Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to use our new multi-day lesson planner and how to create, save, and share your own lesson template. We updated this feature to make it even easier for you to plan an entire week or multiple days and schedule these lessons on your Terra calendar. So we're going to start from the classes page, and from here you're going to click into the class that you want to plan for. And you'll see that I already created a unit and have some other lesson plans in here. We're going to hit the Create button in the top right corner. Then you're going to hit Create Lessons. Now, if you're planning for an entire week, you're going to give these lessons a name. You can assign the unit, or you don't have to. And then you're going to go down here to select your lesson dates. Each date that you select will be given its own planning space in your lesson planner. So I'm going to do 3 days. Now this takes you to your lesson canvas. And you'll see at the bottom that you have 3 tiles for your days. So when you're on Monday, you're planning for Monday, and same goes for Tuesday and Wednesday. If you go over to the right, you'll see that your resource bank is also here, as well as in your HQ homepage. So that means that you can use all of these resources in here, copy and paste, use the handouts, the brain breaks, anything you want to incorporate into your lesson plan. Now you can create a lesson from scratch and just start typing directly into the text box, or you can use one of our custom templates. Before I forget, for each day, you're going to want to add your standard and objective. So you can either search for your standard, there we go, and you can select multiple standards, or you can add an additional standard and create your own. And you can also give this first lesson a title. Now, once you're done filling in your lesson plan for Monday, you would do the exact same thing for Tuesday and for Wednesday. You can also go up here to change the date and add an attachment to that lesson plan. So if you're a coach or a principal, you actually have the ability to create and share templates with a group of teachers or all the teachers in your school. So to do that, you would select the drop-down and select Create New Template. Then you could copy and paste whatever your school's template is, or create a new one. And then once you're done, you would check the box that says Share Template With. Now from here, if you've set up your teacher groups, you can select a specific group, or you can share it with your entire school. Once you've shared the template, the teachers that you shared it with will be able to use it from their accounts while lesson planning, but they cannot edit it.